Hey guys, it's your girl Amoy and welcome back to my channel. Yeah. So actually today I'm gonna be doing the passion twist, but first we gotta start off with some clean hair because my hair is looking a little bit crusty, a little bit dusty, and it got way too much products in there. So we're gonna go ahead, wash our hair, and let's get on to the video. So I've washed my hair and now I'm gonna go ahead and dry it. Alright, so I have my hair washed and blow dried. Now it's time to elasticate my hair because I'll be doing the elastic band method. So if you want to see how I do that, then stay tuned. So I'll start parting my hair. I probably want a side part or a center part, just the same. I'm gonna be able to put it in the side, put it in the center. So I'm gonna part my hair accordingly. So about that, actually gonna part this in two. I'm not sure if I should style it or should do boxes. I think I'm gonna just do like that. I think that should be a pretty good size. Go in with some edge control, my handy dandy toothbrush, and also got the elastics. I need to cut these open. My hair is going pretty long. Look at that. And I just clipped it, but look at that. But yeah, so I'm pretty much doing the elastic band method. So that's how it is once that's done. Like that. Guys, if you hear all that noise, my apologies. That's what happens when you have siblings. So yeah. So I think this is a decent size. So that's pretty much what it's looking like at the moment. I'm gonna finish getting this done, and then once I'm finished, then I'll be back with the rest of the video to show you how I installed the hair. So hey guys, so I am back. So far this is what I have going on. I'm gonna introduce you to the hair that I used, which is I went and got the Expression Twisted Up Passion Bohemian Curl in 24" and in 1B. So this is how it looks. So this is what it looks like so far, and I actually wanted that boho kind of style, so I took out a few strands of hair while I was doing the twist, and yeah, that's it so far. It looks good to me, it looks cute, but yeah, let me get on and show you guys how I did it and all of that. So yeah, once I have that done, I'm gonna go ahead and take some contour leave-in conditioner, and I'm just gonna moisturize that into the hair because we are doing a protective style. I'll make sure that the ends are nice and moisturized, that way they melt into the hair more easily, and also because you know we're doing a protective style, your ends need a lot of moisturizer, because then it's a lot more harder for your natural oils to reach the end of your hair. So the hair, it actually comes like this, where it's loose and you're able to add it in as you please. So that's how it looks. And what I'm going to do is to double this. So I'm going to use this, and then I'm going to add another one to it to double it to double it. And what that's going to be is going to make the hair a little bit more full. So what I'm going for is to have some like really big and fluffy, while some is a little bit more narrow. And yeah, that's what I'm doing, guys. I'm gonna use my crochet needle, push it through here. Once that's out, I'm gonna add this here, lock that, pull it through. Okay, once I have that through, I'm gonna add half of this, pull this through the loop, and then I'm gonna go ahead and tighten the loop. I think that's okay. I think that's tight enough. I think that's secure. I just combing it out a little bit, like separating the curls just a little. Alright, so I have that a little bit loose, and now it should be a lot easier to twist. So let's separate this. she'll look better. I don't know.
I hope it'll look better.
Ooh, I want to do
Looks
one.
good though.
Thank you.
Can I do one? No, okay.
Right, so for the edges, I'm just going to use a little bit of leave-in conditioner and some gel and just wrap that around. And that should be fine. I mean, this look is so easy to do. I showed my sister how to do it, and as you guys can see, she did a great job. So shout out to you, Sanya. Hey guys, so I totally spaced on filming the outro and the final look of this hair, so I'm sorry for that. But here are some photos you guys can see how the hair looks and all of that. Hope you guys like. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and give this video a share. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.